Hello everyone. In this video I will show you what is an array and how to and where to use them in Active Directory environment. Basically, arrays are collection of items. You can loop through the array to access the individual item using the index. The index starts with 0, 1, 2 and etc. Array is normally stored in the memory. In this example, the array is declared like this: $all equal to, and then add sign and the bracket, open bracket and close bracket. Inside you have John, Bob, Adam and Joe. John is stored in 0th index, Bob is stored in the first index, and Adam is stored in the second index, and etc. It is like you store the items in different boxes and later use them when there is a necessity. Here is an array, okay, and it starts with add sign and then the open bracket and then a close bracket. Inside you have the users and then they are separated by comma. Okay, the array values we are going to access using the index. Let's run this one, and $all, and then let's access the 0th index. Okay, there is a square bracket like this, and then inside you need to put 0. The index always starts with 0. And the third one, the last one, is like this. The second, I have this information coming from Active Directory. Again, this is an array, add sign and then the bracket and then the close bracket, and I saved this one in a variable all. Let's run this one, $all, and then the 0th index 0, 1. That is how you access the array values using the index. Let us go look at some of the properties of the array. CLS, go here and then I type $all and then pipe it to get member. If I run this one, I get all the properties of this specific array. Okay, and one I'm interested about this one is length, and also I'm interested the count property. I don't see here quickly the count property, but there is a count property here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go clear the screen, $all dot 4. There are 4 items in the array. So similarly, I want to find out $all dot length. There are 4 items. So I'm declaring a variable $length equal to all dot length, and I'm also declaring another variable called count equal to $all dot count. I'm going to loop through this array using for each loop and then access one by one. For each 1 in all curly braces, write host $1 and read host. I'm going to highlight this one. I'm going to run this one. Okay, this is how you access using for each loop. Clear screen. The next, we are going to access the array value using the variable count. Here there's a count. We declared a variable. We saved the count value here. Here I'm using a for loop. For I equal to 0, $I equal to 0, semicolon, $I less than LT, $count, semicolon, and $I plus plus, curly braces, then right host, I like to get the index equal to $I, and then all, and then the square bracket and 0, sorry, I, and then the read host. You can see the square bracket, which is really important. If you see the code here, that the count is set to 4 because there are 4 items here, and here I'm using a for loop, and for I is 0, the I is initialized to 0, and then I is less than count, that means less than 4, which is going to be 3. So I'm adding it one by one and then putting inside the loop, and then writing the host, and then accessing the value using the index. Okay, and finally I'm putting the read host so that we can see one by one. Highlight and run, and 0, 1, 2, the second index, it's bringing the third value, and then the third index and bringing the fourth value. Clear screen. Here I'm going to show you how to save 1, 2, 3, 4 in an array. For loop, $I equal to 1, $I less than or equal to 4, $I plus plus, and then $myArray equal to $I. Here I have to initialize the array, $myArray equal to @ highlight this and run it and get the value. Oh, 4, it is not correct. Let's go and fix this. I need to pull it up plus here, and now highlight and then run, and $myArray 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's access the 0th index, square bracket, 0, first index 2, second index 3, third index 4. This is how we access the array value through index. Thanks for watching, guys, and you have a great day.